how to turn off sticky keys in Windows 11. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial, so let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our desktop right here. And once you're now on your desktop, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on our search bar and then search for settings. So just search for settings and then open it. And then once you open that, you will be redirected right here. And then the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the left screen, and then you will see this accessibility. Click that accessibility right there, and then once you're now here, just scroll all the way down until you see this keyboard. So just click that keyboard right there, and then you will see this sticky keys. So if it is turned on, of course, all you have to do is to turn it off. And if you want to make some certain changes or specific changes within the sticky keys, all you have to do is to click this arrow right here, and then you will also be able to edit these options. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to turn off sticky keys in Windows 11.